Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 9th to the 21st. For November 9th to the 12th, the pattern will be quite amplified. We have a ridge here that will be in the west, covering much of western North America, in fact. And we have a broad ridge, a broad trough with above normal heights across east central states. Now, the troposphere and the stratosphere have coupled, and the coupling, which has resulted in a polar vortex disruption and is resulting in cold temperature along the axis of the stretched polar vortex from Central Asia to Eastern North America. What this means is that it'll bring some colder air down into the eastern U.S. Probably the coldest air of the season over the weekend. A cold front will push eastward. Along and ahead of this front, a southerly flow will transport moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, resulting in showers and thunderstorms across the southeast to New England. A stationary front off the Carolina coast will cause rain near the coast. By Saturday, most of the rain will have pushed off to the mid-Atlantic and northeast coast, and a cyclonic flow across the Great Lakes combined with the warm waters are forecast to cause lake effect snow, which could spread into the interior northeast. Higher elevation snow is expected through the weekend as the disturbance moves into the Intermountain West. Snow expected across the northern plains into the Midwest. Another round of showers and thunderstorms will occur early next week as the trough digs eastward and the surface front pushes across the southeast. This pattern favors temperatures to be above normal in the west and below normal across east central states. Look now at the pier for November 12th to 16th. Here at the 12th, now you can see we have this ridge covering much of the North America coast. Here's our broad trough below normal heights. And then we go forward into time. We're going to come to the 16th. You see here it is, the ridge, the trough here pushes the Western Atlantic Ridge further out, and then we look at the rest of the models. They're all remarkably in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, let me see if I have the map, just above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 6 to 12 degrees. 4 to 6 degrees above normal, and here I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 6 to 12 degrees below normal for precipitation. Forecasting below normal precipitation here. The probability of occurrence is 45%, and then above normal temperatures, above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. One thing to note here, with this trough, so for like back here, this will allow for a coastal storm to develop. Now it depends how close it is. It comes to us. It might bring heavy rain and probably interior snow. That'll be later in the next period. Okay, and now for the remaining of the period, for the next period, this is for the 17th to 21st. And the pattern changes a little as far as the height features are. We'll still have a ridge and a trough, but it may be a little less amplified than it has been. The flow starts to relax. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees because of the flow is flattening, and then I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for the east central states, and I'm forecasting anomalies of about 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. And above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 9th to 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.